Suppose I want to use the Nspire to calculate the correlation coefficient and also the equation of the regression line. I would be at the point where I've already entered my data into a list and spreadsheet page. So I have X values in this first column and Y values in the second column. And to calculate the correlation coefficient, I'm just going to toggle to the right into an empty column and then press the menu button and then choose choice number 4, which is statistics, and then number 1, which is statistical calculations. And I want to scroll down and choose linear regression. Now you'll see two different choices here, and it's just a matter of the format of the equation of the line that it gives you. And choice number 3 is mx plus b, and this is the standard slope times your x value plus b, and then using the m for slope. And then choice number 4 is the same kind of information, and just the letter b is being used for slope here instead of the m. But I'm going to choose number 3, which is the standard way. So I have to then tell the program where my x values live, and I'm going to choose my X list to be where I put my X values, and I toggle down and do the same thing for the Y values. Saving the regression equation to function number 1 is fine, and then the frequency is 1. I just keep tabbing down and results go in column D. That's fine, and I hit enter and I see some results over here. So if I scroll down the page, I see a lot of information. And first I want to scroll down and see the value for R. And R is the correlation coefficient. So I see the R value is 0.0859, so slightly positive. What you'll want in a section or two of material is also the R square value, and that is the coefficient of determination. But I'll also see up here my regression equation. So mx plus b, m is being played by the number 0.018182 and then b by 6. So if I had to write down the equation of the regression line, this number, the 0.018, would replace m. I would keep my x and then plus 6, the b value. Now, if you're interested in seeing the regression line, then what you might do is construct a scatter plot from your data. And so if I have done that already, then on this page I see a scatter plot. I have x values on the horizontal axis, y values on the vertical axis. And if I click menu and then analyze, which is choice number 4, and then scroll down to choice number 6, which is regression, and then show the linear regression number 1, then it puts the regression line through here. And you'll notice if you take a peek at the equation, those numbers that we saw on the other screen are sitting here. Let me move this so you can see it. So the equation of the regression line would be y equals 0.018182x plus 6. So that's the regression line. Here's what it looks like finding its way through this particular data set. But if I want the correlation coefficient, I'm back on my other screen and I'm looking for my R value.